This country is a Yahoo country. Now listen to me. All these security people, where they arrest people anyhow, make una listen to me. If you go to police station, you go hear where they write bail is free. If you enter there, they will collect money from you. Oga DPO, you are a Yahoo person. For you people where they arrest innocent people anyhow, they collect money from them. You people are Yahoo people. You are a lecturer in a university and you want to frustrate the female student because they refuse to give you the abobu na achicha. Oga lecturer, you are a Yahoo person. You are a professor. You are frustrating students in university because you want to collect money from them. Oga professor, you are a Yahoo person. You are a VC. You are a rector or a provost. Una want to employ 1,000 people, but behind una employ 800 people. Come do publication for 200 people. All of you are Yahoo person. If you are a doctor, a patient suffering from malaria and typhoid fever, come to your hospital. After the test, you find out that again malaria and typhoid. But because you want to get that money, you're going to see grammar. You are suffering from umbilical liquidation. They are going to make a mudra brancata. Oga doctor, you are a Yahoo person. You are a nurse. And after the delivery, you and the doctor will connive and sell the umbilical cord of a pregnant woman. Oga nurse, you are a Yahoo person. You are a pension staff. After 20 years or 100 years of governor approving the money for pensioners, when they come to your office to pay them their pension, you will tell them social percentage. You are a Yahoo person. You are a governor and you refuse to pay the staff salary. Governor, you are a Yahoo person. Your dog, your private jet, they are eating more than the salary of your staff and you refuse to pay them. Pensioners, your fathers and your mother, and they are suffering. This year verification, next year verification, 5 years verification. Oga governor, you are a Yahoo person. You are a senator. They give you money for your constituency. You pocket it. You are a Yahoo person. House of Rep, you pocket the money. You are a Yahoo person. All the government officials, all of you are Yahoo people. Now listen to me. That money they discovered in Ikoyi in Lagos State, that money is a Yahoo money. Who put that money there is a Yahoo person. That building, that money is a Yahoo world building. That snake that swallowed that money is a Yahoo snake. That money you swallow is a Yahoo Guinea money. That baboon that swallowed the money is a Yahoo baboon. The person that gave the baboon that money to swallow is a Yahoo Guinea person. When I hear say 2 billion van was seen driving inside somebody's world compound, the person that owned that compound is a Yahoo person. That bullion van are Yahoo bullion van. That money inside are Yahoo. Then the security people that see that thing and refuse to allow the man, security, all of you are Yahoo people. Now listen to me, let me tell you. All the corruption in this country are Yahoo corruption. All government officials are Yahoo officials. Executive, Yahoo people. Judiciary, Yahoo people. Everything Yahoo people. Make una stop harassing people anyhow. Make una stop harassing people anyhow. Because the last time I checked my dictionary, this country as a whole is a Yahoo country. And everybody in this country are all Yahoo world citizens. Pastor, you come to church and you will say, you are seeing angels of God coming down from heaven with 50 white seats. If you want God blessing, come here with 10,000. Oga pastor, you are a Yahoo person. You are a woman, CWO, CMO. You cook food, put 20 meat and give your pastor and your husband 1 meat. You are a Yahoo person. You people are the subjects in this country. Nigeria is a Yahoo country and citizens are Yahoo world citizens. This country is a Yahoo country. It is a Yahoo country. Be careful, be careful, be careful.